Today I'm going to show you how to make beetroot brownies. You will need 250 grams of cooked beetroot, 250 grams of butter or margarine, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 eggs, 250 grams of caster sugar, and 200 grams of chocolate. You can use dark or plain. I have just used plain chocolate. Firstly, you want to melt your butter and your chocolate in a microwave. So I have just put both of them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until they're thoroughly melted. You can do this on the stove on a bain-marie on hot water if you want. I just find it's quicker in the microwave. And then mix the two together and mix it until it's really well combined, and then just pop to one side just to allow it to cool down slightly. Then we want to grate the cooked beetroot. Then in a separate bowl, to your caster sugar, add your eggs and whisk really well until well combined, and also until they're lighter in colour and slightly risen. Then add your chocolate and butter mix and just try and fold it in. So you want to just fold this in rather than mix it in, because this will then retain the air bubbles that we've just put in by whisking the eggs. Then just sieve in your flour. You can sieve it separately and then add it in if you want. I just find it easier to add it while sieving it in. And again, sieve in your cocoa powder. And again, just fold this into your mixture until it's all well combined. And then add your shredded beetroot. And again, fold it in until really well combined. Then to a pre-lined tin. The tin I used was a 20cm square cake tin. You just want to add your mixture. Then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 30 to 40 minutes. And you know when your brownie is done when you take it out of the oven and you shake it and the top does not move. So if you take it out the oven and the top is still moving, it's not quite done yet. Then simply chop up into the size pieces that you want. And there you have it. That's how you make beetroot brownies.